Hello class 1, welcome to your English literature class. So children, I would like to tell you one thing, that we have already completed the syllabus of first term. So now we will do the revision classes. Okay. So and I hope that everyone, all of you have completed the writing part. Okay, the writing part is completed. Everyone, all of you have already done with the writing part, and you have also learned the word meanings. Okay, word meanings that we have got, isn't it? So today we will do the revision of chapter 2 of your book, that is Priya's Friend. Okay, this is chapter 2, Priya's Friend, isn't it? So open your book at page number 25. Take a pencil in your hand. So page number, it's not 25 children, sorry, this is page number 27 of your book. Okay, so open your book at page number 27. This is 2727. Chapter number is chapter 2. So, and the name of the chapter, as I have already told you, is Priya's Friend. So in this chapter we have learnt about a girl whose name is Priya, isn't it, who has a very special friend. So I think you can recollect the name of Priya's friend. Who was Priya's special friend or Priya's best friend? It was a banyan tree, isn't it? Priya's best friend in this chapter was a banyan tree. Clear? So here in this chapter, we have seen the scenario of a classroom where we have seen a teacher. See, look at the picture, you can make out, and all the students, they are like you, sitting in the classroom. The classroom is well decorated and the teacher is teaching. Fine. So here the teacher is interacting with the children, and the children, they are also talking to their teacher, and they are speaking about their best friend. Okay, they are sharing their feelings with the teacher about their friend. So there are other characters like Soni, isn't it? Soni, Soma, these are the name of the children in the class, and they are sharing their feelings about their best friend. And according to one of them, like Avi, isn't it? Avi says that his best friend is his grandmother, isn't it? So then Soni said that Soma said that Soni is her best friend. And when it comes to Priya, Priya said that she also have a very special friend, and it is none other than a banyan tree, isn't it? And she described her friend like, the friend is so big that it can cover the sun. It is so big that it can hide the moon. And her friend has curly green hair, isn't it? And it sways in the wind. Sways means what? Move slowly from side to side. To move slowly from side to side. So this is the description that Priya has given about her friend, isn't it? And at the end, she disclosed the fact that her friend is a banyan tree. Okay, and all the children, they went to the garden, isn't it? They went to the school garden, and the banyan tree was in the school garden, and all her friend, they went to the school garden and played. They play under the shade of the banyan tree. So this was the story about Priya and about Priya's best friend. We have already learned, and thereafter we did some quick answers like, where does the story take place? So the story took place at Priya's home or in Priya's classroom. So as we have seen the picture of the image of Priya's teacher and the picture of the classroom, so we can say that the story took place in Priya's classroom. Then the next question was, who was Soma's best friend? Soma's best friend was Soni, isn't it? He has a curly green hair. So here, what do you think curly green hair means? curly green hair means leaves of the tree. Leaves of which tree? Leaves of the banyan tree they are talking about. Now turn the page, come to page number 3030. Question number D was, which of the following can Priya's friend do? Talk to Priya or tell Priya a story or protect her from rain and hot sun. So as Priya's friend was a banyan tree, so it could protect her from rain and from the hot sun, isn't it? So put a tick mark against the sentence that are true and put a cross against the picture those are false. Now see here, three sentences are given. Avi's grandmother sings song to her. No. Priya's friend is a small plant. No. Then Priya's friend lives in the school garden. Yes, it is very true, isn't it? So this way we have completed this question number 1 of this chapter. Okay, I think you have already done with this. Then the next question was number 3, isn't it? Read, reflect and write the question answers. I have sent the link of this to you. I think I hope that you have already completed those question answers, isn't it? The question like question number 3, write 3 things that Priya's friend can do. You have already mentioned what Priya's friend can do, like protect Priya from the rain, could hide the moon, can cover sun, isn't it? These are the 3 things that Priya's friend could do. So and number 4 was, how do trees help us? Talk about it in the classroom. So how do trees help us? So trees help us in many ways, isn't it? They gives us medicine, isn't it? We get wood to make furniture from trees. So many things. They give us oxygen, isn't it? So there are many trees helps us in many ways. This is what we have done in this chapter. So for this today we'll wind up the class here, and in the next class we will do the rest of the exercise. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.